guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to solve day 16 problem of this month on Leetcode. Before starting, if you guys haven't subscribed my YouTube channel yet, then please go ahead and subscribe it. Now without any delay, let's get started with today's problem. So today I'm going to solve problem number 330, patching array. So this question is asked by Google. Okay, so now let's read the problem statement. So in this problem we have given a sorted integer array nums and an integer n. We have to add elements to the array such that any number in the range 1 to n inclusive can be formed by the sum of some elements in the array, and in the end we have to return the minimum number of patches required. Okay, so let's understand this with example 1. Okay, so nums array given to us 1 and 3 and n is equal to 6. Okay, so n is equal to 6 and my nums array, this is my nums array. Okay, and there are total 2 elements in this. Okay, 1 and 3. Okay, so now I need numbers from 1 to 6. Okay, everything is inclusive, right? See here, any number in the range 1 to n inclusive. Okay, so I need number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, so see here, if I just use this number 1, okay, so I can get this value, right? 1. If I use 1 and 3 both, then what is the summation of these two is 4. Okay, I can achieve this result. If I just use 3, okay, if I just use this 3, then I can achieve this. Okay, but what about the numbers like 2, 5, 6? I can't achieve these 3 numbers, right? But I have to achieve all the numbers from 1 to n. Okay, n is 6. So here what I'm going to do, I'm going to add a number 2 in between. Okay, so let's say I have added 2 here. Okay, I have added 2 here. Okay, so now see, after adding 2, can I get 1? Yes, if I just use this one, I can get this one. Okay, if I just use this 2, I can get this 2. If I just use this 3, I can get this 3. If I use 1 and 3, I can get this 4. If I use 3 and 2, I can get this 5. If I use 1, 2 and 3, then I can get 6. Okay, so by just adding one number, okay, by just patching one number, I can achieve all the numbers from 1 to n. Okay, so that is why the output of this example is going to be 1, right? See here, the combination of nums are 1, 3 and 1, 3, which form possible sums of 1, 3 and 4. Now if we add the patch 2 to nums, then the combinations are 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Possible sums are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, which now covers the range 1 to 6. So we only need to add one patch, right? So I hope that you guys are clear with this example. Okay, so now let's understand the approach which we are going to use to solve this problem using this example too. Okay, so let me write here my nums array. So this is my nums array, right? Nums is equal to 1 is there, then 5 is there, then 10 is there, right? This is my nums array, 1, 5, 10, and n value is 20. Okay, n value is 20. Okay, so I need numbers now from 1 to 20. Okay, 1 to 20. So let me write the numbers. So I need numbers from 1 to n, that is 1 to 20. Okay, so these are the numbers. So now let's see what numbers we can form using this nums array. Okay, so initially I'm not taking any number. So initially my max reach, let's say there is one max reach variable. Okay, there is one variable max reach, and initially since we are not using any number, so I am setting it to 0. Okay, I am also going to use one variable patch count, which is going to count the number of patches that I need to add, so that I can achieve all the numbers from 0 to 1 to 20. Okay, 1 to n. Okay, and initially let's say I am starting from this index. Okay, so let me mark the indexes. So this 1 is present at 0th index, this 5 is present at 1 index, this 10 is present at 2 index. Okay, so initially my I is at this position. Okay, initially my I is at this position. Okay, so now if I add these numbers, okay, this number, then what is going to be my max reach? Then my max reach is going to be 1. Okay, my max reach is going to be operated, right, if I'm just going to use this number. Okay, so definitely if I use this number which is present at index 0, then I can achieve this result. Okay, I can achieve this one. Okay, I can achieve this one. Okay, this is clear. Now after that my I moves forward. Okay, my I moves forward. So now my I reaches this position. Okay, this position. So now my max reach is also updated to 1. Okay, my max reach is also updated to 1. Okay, if I use this number. Okay, now see, can I simply add this number? Okay, let's say after 1 I am adding 5. Then what are the possible numbers that I can get from 1 to 20? I can get 1, I can get this 5, I can get this 6. 6 is going to be my max reach, right? 6 is going to be my max reach. But what about these numbers? What about this 2? What about this 3? What about this 4? Right? So I can't achieve if I just use this 5. Okay, so what I'm going to do here, I'm not going to use this 5 right now. Okay, so here instead of using this 5 that is available at my index 1, what I'm going to do here, I'm going to update my max reach as max reach. Okay, I'm going to update my max reach as max reach plus 1. What is my max reach plus 1? Is 2. Okay, max reach plus 1, 2 is equal to 3. Why it is becoming 3? Okay, so initially 1 is there, so now after that I need this 2, right? So what I'm saying here, I am adding 2 here, I am adding 2 in between. Okay, I am adding 2 in between. So if I added 2 here, then definitely my max reach is going to be 3, right? So here if after adding this 5 my max reach becomes 5 and 6, now I am not able to achieve 2, 3, 4. So what I am going to do in that case, I am going to update. First thing is that my patch count will be incremented because I am adding 2, right? And my max reach is going to be updated as max reach plus 1. Okay, so this is max reach MR and this is max reach plus 1. Okay, so I have added 2, so my patch count will become 1. Okay, so after adding 2, max reach is 3, right? So definitely I can achieve the result still here. Okay, 1, 2, 3, I can achieve everything. Now after that can I add this 5? So again I'm going to check. So first thing here again I'm going to check if nums of index. Okay, if nums of index, that is this number, if 5 is less than equal to my max reach plus 1. What is my max reach? 3 plus 4. Okay, if my nums of index this 5 is less than equal to my max reach plus 1. Okay, no, it is not equal to, because we need 4 now. If I just use this 5, then I can achieve results like this. I can achieve if I just use this now. See here, 1, 2, after that I directly use 5, then what are the possible things that I can achieve? So I can achieve 5, I can achieve 6, okay, I can achieve 7 as well, I can achieve 8 as well, right? But what about 4? I can't achieve 4. Okay, so now this condition is failed, right? This condition is failed. Okay, this condition, that is nums of index, that is this 5 is not less than equal to 4. So what I'm going to do, again I'm going to increment my patch count to 2. I am going to increment my patch count to 2. Here I am going to add 4. Okay, here I am going to add 4. Okay, so give me 1 minute. So here I am going to add 4. Okay, and now my max reach is going to be updated as max reach. What is the max reach value? 3, and 3 after that max reach plus 1, that is 3 plus 1, 4. Okay, 7. So now check if 7 is the correct value of the max reach. So see, now I'm saying let's use this 1, 2 and 4, and my I is still at 5. Okay, so see right now what is the max reach that I'm going to get? 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh yes, right. So I can achieve 7 now, I can achieve 6 now, I can achieve 5 now. Okay, if I use 4 and 5, I can achieve this 4 as well, I can achieve 3. Okay, so 1 to 7 I am going to achieve everything. Okay, now see, okay, 1 to 7 I have achieved everything. Now my I is still at this 5. Okay, now my patch count is updated to 2 as well. Okay, last time. So until now my patch count is 2 and my max reach is 7. Okay, my max reach is 7. This is my max reach and this is my patch count. Okay, now after that I'm again going to check if 5 is less than equal to my max reach plus 1. Okay, max reach is 7 plus 1 8. So it is true, this time it is true. So definitely I can use this 5. Okay, so definitely I'm going to use this 5 now. So 5 is less than equal to 8, right? So see here, if I use this 5 now, after 1, 2, 4 and 5, if I use after 4 this 5, then I can obtain all the values. I can obtain 8, I can obtain 9. Okay, I can obtain 10 as well. 5, 4 and 1. Okay, I can obtain 10 as well. Okay, so I can obtain all the numbers, right? I am not missing anything, right? Until now, right? So here this is 10. Okay, so now I am going to operate my max reach as okay, this time this condition is true. Okay, so this time my max reach is going to be operated like this. Max reach is equal to max reach plus, okay, this time I'm not adding any patches, right? So this time my max reach is going to be like this, max reach plus nums of I. Okay, I am adding this number now, this number 5. Okay, so now my max reach is going to become 7 plus 5, that is nothing but 12, right? So this is going to be my max reach. So let's see, can I form 11? 5, 4, 9, 10, 11. Yes. Can I form 12? 5, 4, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yes, I can form 12. Okay, so until 12 I have achieved everything. Until 12 I have achieved everything. Okay, this is my max reach. Okay, now my I will be incremented because I am using this value. So I am going to update my I to this index. Okay, to this index. So now see, now my number is 10, and here check if my 10 is less than equal to, what is my max reach? 12. 12 plus 1, 13, because next number I need 13 now, right? After 12 I need 13, right? So 10 is less than equal to 13. Yes, I can use this number as well. Okay, so 10 is less than equal to 13. So again same thing. So now my max reach is going to update as max reach is nothing but 12 in the last case. 12 plus right now number is 10, right? Number is 10 right now, this one. So 12 plus 10 is 22. Okay, so I can achieve using 22. Okay, I can achieve numbers till 22. Okay, so let's use 10 as well. So if I use this 10, now see, can I form 13? Yes, if I use 10 to 1, I can form this 13. Can I achieve 14? So 10 plus 4, 14. Can I achieve 15? 10 plus 5, 15. Can I achieve 16? 10, 5, 1, 16. Can I achieve 17? See, 10, 5, okay, 15, 16, 17. Yes, I can achieve. Can I achieve 18? Yes, 10, 5, 2, 1. Okay, 18. Can I achieve 19? 10, 5, 4. Okay. Can I achieve 20? 10 plus 5 plus 4 plus 1. Okay, I can achieve 20 as well. So I am achieving all the numbers, right? Now my I will be incremented to here, out of bound. Okay, so I am going to output, I am going to just return. Okay, exit. So what is the my patch count? So there is no update after 2, right? So my output is going to be 2. Okay, so see, output is 2. So we are just adding 2 and 4 now. So we are just adding 2 and 4, and after that using the elements which are already available in nums, I can form all the numbers from 1 to 20. Okay, so I hope that you guys are clear with this explanation. Code is also going to be very simple. Okay, so now let's move to the coding part. Long max reach initially 0. Okay, we are not using any number. Then take index variable, int index is equal to 0. Then patch count and set it to 0 initially, and then we are going to run one loop while my max reach, okay, my max reach should be less than n. Okay, this is what I need, right? If it is greater than or equal to n, then we just need to exit. Okay, so while my max reach is less than n, inside that simple two conditions. If first thing that we need to make sure that my index should be less than nums dot length, and one more thing that we need to make sure that nums of index, okay, nums of index should be less than equal to my max reach plus 1, because after 2 we need 3, after 3 we need 4. Okay, so that is why we need to check this. Okay, but if directly after 2 we are getting 5, then we need to execute the else part. Okay, so here if my index is less than nums dot length and nums of index is less than equal to max reach plus 1, then I am to update my max reach as nums of index if I'm using that number. Okay, and I have to increment my index as well. But if I'm not using this, okay, if I'm not using this, that simply means I have to add one patch. Then I have to increment my max reach as max reach plus 1. Okay, this is what we are using here every time whenever we are adding the patch. Okay, so every time, see here, mr plus 1 in case we are adding patch. If we are not adding patch, then we are using this formula, max reach plus nums of I. Okay, this one. And if we are adding patch, then this one. Okay, okay, this is done. And here just increment the count of patch count plus. This is done. And in the end we have to just return the patch count. Okay, code is very simple, right? Just few lines of code, right? So now let's run the code and see if there are any code issues. So all the test cases has been accepted. Now let's submit it. So I hope that you guys are able to understand today's problem. See, our solution is accepted, right? So now let's move to the time complexity part. Okay, what is going to be my time complexity for this code? In this case, when my nums array is like this, I'm not adding any patches, right? I'm not adding patches. Okay, no, I'm not adding anything. So in that case, I have to just execute this part now. I have to execute this part. Okay, so initially 1 2 2 these three numbers are there. Okay, so initially I have to use this, then my max reach will become 3. Okay, then after that if I use this, then my max reach will become 5. Okay, so n is equal to 5 in this case, right? So in this case I am using all the numbers. Okay, so here my time complexity is going to be O of L. Okay, L is nothing but the nums total length. Okay, this is done. Then after that, in case I am adding patches, okay, in case I am adding patches, so let's say a number is like this. Okay, so let's initially let's say my max reach is 1. Okay, so then after that if I am adding one patch here, then my max reach is updated to max reach plus 1. Okay, 3. Okay, so next time when I'm going to add a number, then my max reach is going to update like this: 3 plus 4 is 7. Okay, then after that again I'm going to add a number, then my max reach is going to update as 7 plus 8 15. Then after that again if I have to add anything, then my max reach is going to update as 15 plus 16, that is nothing but 13. Okay, this is how my max reach is updated in case I am adding patch count every time. Okay, so see, it is doubling every time now, so it is going to take a logarithmic time complexity. So overall I can say that my time complexity is going to be of L plus log of n. Okay, this is going to be my overall time complexity. So I hope that you guys are able to understand today's problem. If you guys still have any doubts, then please feel free to ask in comment section. Till then, keep coding and keep practicing. Meet you guys in the next video, and don't forget to like this video, share this video with your friends, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.